Have you ever walked away from a conversation thinking that this is what I did not mean to say? Or have you ever found yourself in a business meeting where you could not speak but you knew what you had to say? Was there ever a moment when you could not express your feelings clearly to the people you cared for? Or in your professional setup, was there ever a moment when you felt that even though you know, but you can't express yourself? And of course, a lack of confidence lingering somewhere around. If this sounds familiar to you, then this session is for you. This session is for the professionals who can set goals and who can create that impact in their professional outcome. This session is for the entrepreneurs who can actually connect well, through their conversation, through the style of speaking. They can do the networking, they can connect with other people, and of course, they can speak with great clarity. This session is also for the introverts who have a lot to say and express, but they just cannot do so and silently move away from that meaningful conversation that would have changed their lives. So I am Anandita Bose. I have been doing this for a very long time. I have been teaching people how to build their confidence, how to have trust on their own inner instincts, how to groom themselves in the conversations that they are meant to have in the world. I have been doing this and learning myself that communication is not only about speaking more, but it is also to set an example in the sense to understand the essence of the conversation that you are into. Listening and speaking. These two are very important things that connects a conversation. It's like a circle. So all these years I have realized that to speak well, we need to first understand ourselves well. And this excites me a lot because I am collaborating with Searching Soulmate for this session. Searching Soulmate has always had a huge vision. It's simple, but it's very impactful that they believe every individual has a right to be known, to be understood, and every individual must come out from their shell to build a beautiful world around them. And when communication is about connecting, your true journey begins when you look at communication not just a way of expressing yourself, but putting yourself forward into the world. So, in this session, we are going to explore why communication feels so difficult in this fast paced digital world and why we cannot speak exactly the words that we need to speak when we are into that situation. We are also going to look at confidence and how it impacts our speaking. And finally, how to express your thoughts and emotions with greater clarity. In this way, most importantly, we'll discuss the simple techniques that you can start using immediately to enhance your professional life, your relationships, your family conversations, and your social interactions. This is going to be something that you're going to do for yourself. So join me, learn, and invest in your own growth.